Hi everyone, this is Josh from Site App Pro Support, and today I'm going to be doing a step-by-step guide showing you how to use corrective actions. Now, this is a really powerful tool made to assign one of your team members or yourself a follow-up task. Now, these follow-up tasks can be in the form of an ad hoc form, a resource, or just some text instructing the user what to do. I'm going to show you how to create these corrective actions, whether it be from the admin console or the mobile app, and how a team member can mark them as complete. Now, from the admin console, there are two ways that you can add a corrective action. The first way is from the dashboard. If you scroll down to the bottom of your dashboard, you'll see the corrective actions page. So to open up the corrective actions settings and to start creating them, you'll want to click the little arrow icon in the top right hand corner. The method of which you add a corrective action actually applies all across the board, so whether it's the admin console or the mobile app, all you'll need to add is the action text describing what needs to happen, assign it to one of your team members, give it a priority level, a due date, a color, this is useful for categorizing them, and whether or not you would like to assign this person a resource or ad hoc form to fill out as well. Once you're done adding the details, all you'll need to do is click the little check icon. In order to mark a corrective action as completed, all you'll need to do is change the status from to do to done. Now that we know how to add a corrective action, we can apply the same method to a completed form. So what we'll want to do is find a completed form, let's say from the activity stream. Then we'll want to click on the form and then select the little page icon to add a corrective action, and the same details follow. Now, let's jump over to the mobile app and see how we can follow the same process. The first way to create a corrective action from the mobile app is heading to the menu icon and then going to Actions. And from here, you can click the plus icon and follow the same exact process. If you're an admin user or manager user, you can use this page to view all corrective actions for you and your team. However, if you're a field worker or contractor, you'll only be able to see actions assigned to you. The final way to add a corrective action is while filling a form. You'll notice in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, there is a little blue note icon. If you select that, you'll see a prompt to create a corrective action. Now, once selecting this, you'll see it's the same exact process, just assign it to a team member and add the action text. Once you're done, select the tick. Any corrective actions assigned to you will also show up on your to-do list, so it's super easy to keep track of what tasks need to be done. We've also added the ability of adding a note after the fact, so when you're signing off the corrective action, you can add any follow-up notes or what action was actually completed. From here, to mark the corrective action as done, you just need to tap on it, view or complete any form or resource that is attached by tapping on it. Then change the status from to do to done and click the little check icon. Corrective actions are a really versatile and powerful tool, so if you need a hand figuring out how your business can use this, please let us know at the email address below.